morning children. Hope you all are fine. Now as usual we'll continue with our learning. Block 3, work people do. In this workbook S2 second lesson, tools and training. Now previously we have learnt about the different jobs. Now in that different occupation, what every person does their own job, particular job. Okay. Now like cobbler, tailor, teacher, electrician, carpenter, plumber, doctor, like that. Now tools and training. Now for every job we need tools. For example, what do you need? What do teacher needs? What tool teacher needs? Teacher needs first blackboard, chalk piece, pencil, duster. So this is my tool. See, luckily, children, just now you heard the whistle. Now this is the whistle of garbage. This is what? This is the garbage collector. Because he is whistling so that we can keep our whatever dustbin, garbage outside so that he can pick up. So that is also very important job, right? Now, what do you need to read and write? Is to write pencil, you need sharpener, eraser, scale, glue, stick, all those. This is what you need. That is known as tools. Okay, that is known as for teacher and the student. Okay, now so today we will learn about tools and training. Now tools which help or need to do a job. Without the thing we can't do our work, right? So now children, tools so you know. Now training. Now every time we don't need training. Sometimes we need training. For example, teacher has to go to college and she needs training. Doctor needs training. Engineers need training. They have to go to college. They need training, right? Whereas cobblers, tailor also sometimes need, or they'll do from forefathers, means father and father and father, then you will learn. Okay, this is generation to generation. Like cobbler means the shoes. He doesn't need training. He learns from his father only. His father learns from his father. So that is a generation. Okay. Then plumber, that is those who fit the pipes, water pipes and all. They also don't need any training here. Then carpenter also, electrician also. Okay. So some they need training and some they don't need any training, right? This is what the tools and training. Now I'll show you some pictures. In this picture, tools and training, these are the tools: stethoscope, hammer, nails, saw, plier, sewing machine, needle, scissor. Now, few things I am also having. Now, doctor used to test. This is a thermometer. Nowadays we are using sanitizer. Now, yeah, sure. In picture also you have seen, but here I am having plier, hammer, some big nails I am having. That's all. Okay. Then that is for carpenter they will use. Okay. Plier also is there. Then tailor also stitch. He needs scissors, needle, thread. Okay. So few things I am having which I am showing you. Okay. Right. Done. Open your reader, page number 23. Open your reader, page number 23. Training and tools for different types of work. Doctor. To become a doctor, we have to study about different types of diseases and how to cure them. We study this in a medical college for at least 5 years. After completing these studies, we have to sit for an exam. We can become doctor only if we pass that exam. And nowadays you are seeing that how doctors are working hard and they are researching for the vaccines for our COVID, right? Recently. Now, engineer. To become an engineer, we have to study about machines, computers, and how to build dams and bridges. We study this in an engineering college. Then have engineering college. There they will study for at least 4 years and then need to pass an exam to become engineers. I hope you have understood, no, children? Right. Architect. To become an architect, we have to study about designs of building. You will see no beautiful designs on the building. We study this in a college for 4 to 5 years and then need to pass an exam to become architect. Teacher. To become a teacher, we have to study subjects like science, maths, English and history in a college or a university for many years. After completing these studies, we need to sit for 1 or 2 exams. We can become teacher only when we pass those exams. If we pass those exams only, we will become a teacher. Craft people. There are many other jobs such as making pots, weaving canes, baskets and cloth. The skills to do these jobs are passed down from one person to another person. Passed down from one person, just now I explained you, generation to generation, another person. Craft people like potters and weavers usually learn their work from their family or elders at home. They then train their children, who in turn teach it to their children. Means generation again. For example, if you learn, then your children like that way they will learn. We need tools for all types of job. A tool is a thing that is used to do a particular job. Read the table to know the tools and training people needs to do their jobs. Just see this, children, different types of tools: stethoscope, plier and hammer. I am turning a page 24. Now here, name of people, what they do tools they use, training they need. Carpenter makes wooden furniture and shelves. Tools they use, saws to cut wood, screws, hammer and nail to join pieces of wood together. Training they need, usually skills are passed from one person to another person. Doctor, yeah, I'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now likewise, doctor treats those who are ill. Stethoscope to listen to the heartbeats. Syringe, that is injection, to give injections. Knives and scissors for operations. Trained in a medical college. Electrician fixes electric wires and repairs fuse in bulbs. Pliers, cable cutters, screwdrivers, testers, duct tape, plugs and switches. Plugs and switches you can see here also. Usually skills are passed from one person to another. Weavers weave cloth. Looms and spinning wheels to weave clothes. Usually skills are passed from one person to another. Tailor stitches clothes. Sewing machine, scissor, needle and thread. Just now I showed you. Usually skills are passed from one person to another. Potter makes clay pots. Potter's wheel and carving tools. Usually skills are passed from one person to another. Architect design building, drafting board, they are having separate drafting board, ruler, compass, pencil and tracing paper. Trained in a college. Teacher teaches in a school, paper, chalk and board. Trained in a college or university. Chef cooks in hotels and restaurants. Pots, pans, knives, peelers and grinder for cooking. Trained in a college. Cobbler mend shoes. Needles, thread, leather, glue and hammer. They have got separate glue to stick the leather. Usually skills are passed from one person to another. I hope you have understood. The training for each job is specific to India. Open your workbook, page number 20. S2, tools and training. Tools and training. First question, write the jobs in which these tools are used. One has been done for you. That is B, you can see doctor, nurse. You can see the syringe. A, carpenter, hammer. You can see this hammer. Who uses this? Carpenter. Now C, you can see this tool. What is it? Chef. C for chef. Then D is plier. Electricians. Second question, list 5 types of jobs for the following types of trained people. This is for trained people. Getting trained in a college. Already in reader in page 24 it has been written very clearly. But here I will help you. Number 1, I have written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 there needs, no? 5 types. So first is doctor. 2 is teacher. 3 is architect. 4 is lawyer. Anything you can write. 5 is engineer. Now next column, getting trained by another person without going to college. They don't go to college. Weavers, carpenter, potter, plumber, tailor. Okay, you understood this two different types of jobs. One are taking going to college and taking training. Another they don't need. They just pass on through from one person to other. Third question, do watchmen and washermen or dhobi need any special training? Give reason for your answer. First point, actually this you have to do by yourself, but little bit I am giving you little hint. First point wise you write. Watchman may not need any training. He needs training? No. Second point, they do not need any skill except to be able to stay awake at night and watch out for thieves. Third one, a dhobi would have to learn how to iron clothes. Or if you want to write, you can write. But he is asking only watchman and washerman. Now children, I hope you have understood that they need special training, some they no need for training only. They will learn from their elders or friends, right? Now you understood about tools and training. Okay, do your homework children in workbook. Okay, write today's date. I have written date on that workbook. Okay, complete your work. Don't keep any pending work children. Okay, very good. Good luck.